Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. We have new hidden clearance items, storage, and food items to talk about, plus we have surprise pennies and much more. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that Dollar General is absolutely crazy this week. We've got new coupons, new glitches, new clearance markdowns, the 25-cent sale, we have a penny list, tons of hidden clearance items, and I've uploaded a bunch of videos for you all. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, now first things first, I just want to make sure that everybody is aware. I did make a post about this on the community tab first thing Tuesday morning, right after my video went live. We have the yellow Dot Flipflops, or at least the majority of these are yellow Dot Flipflops, and they have now dropped down to 90% off. Now keep in mind that your miles may vary. I did see a couple of people comment that they're still full price at their store, so if you want to check in your area, all you have to do is take a couple of UPCs. I have posted the full list of all the flip-flops that are included. Take a couple of these UPC codes and type them into your Dollar General app and price check them before you head out. And y'all stay tuned. I am working on getting more visuals of the flip-flops together for you all. I actually have a huge box of flip-flops, but unfortunately it is locked away at my storage unit, and between the weather and how cold it's been and all the things going on at Dollar General, it's just been a little bit hard for me to get out there and get everything together. But I promise you all, hopefully by next week, I'll have that video up and ready. All right, now let's talk about the 25-cent sale and some more hidden clearance items that you all need to be on the lookout for. Here's a look at my buggy on Tuesday, and y'all keep in mind that I stood there for a good 30-45 minutes talking to the employees. We were chatting about the flip-flops and everything else, and we literally stood there. We watched 5 or 6 people walk in, look around real quick, and walk right back out. It was like they walked in and said, oh, this store's been cleared, we're moving on to the next. And they didn't even take the time to look and see what was actually in the store. Now, a couple of them grabbed a couple of odds and ends. You know, she was manually marking down some of her wrapping paper that was damaged, but the majority of them walked out empty-handed. So once I got my cart and I started walking around the store, I was like, OMG, I cannot believe that all those ladies left all these things behind. So if this doesn't prove that doing your homework, watching the videos all the way through, listening to tips and tricks, and watching the videos multiple times pays off, I don't know what else will, because check out that full buggy, and I picked up all of this within 30 minutes. Now, once I get everything organized, I will post better pictures that way you guys can see the actual items that I picked up. But for now, I went ahead and put this video together because I have to remind you all about a few items and share some new ones that I found while I was out shopping. So first up, don't forget about your Christmas flowers. Check your regular section and be on the lookout for all of those floral arrangements. I have posted tons of pictures in my previous hidden clearance visual videos. Next, don't forget to check your Valentine's Day candy aisle for these items right here, because they are hidden in there very well. Here we have the Werther's Original Cookie Butter Cream. We also have the Peanut Brittle. I found a ton of this stuff. Next up, with the Lindor chocolates, you want to be on the lookout for the gold, red, and green bags. These are all 25 cents right now at Dollar General, and these are the 5.1 ounce bags. Next up, we have the Cocoa Truffles. OMG, y'all, these things are everywhere, and they're sitting right there in the Valentine's Day candy aisle. Just last night, I ran into DG, 16 boxes just sitting right there with the Valentine's Day candy. And these are currently 25 cents per box, and they don't expire until 2025. So be on the lookout for these. Now, here's another one where it seems like not a whole lot of people know that these are included, because I'm finding them everywhere. We have these small cans of the Planters Salted Caramel Peanuts. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. All right, next up, super excited about this one. We have the True Living Variety Pack of storage bags, 250 count. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Check those top shelves and your end caps. Now, Here's another one that a lot of people are overlooking. We have the turkey-sized True Living Oven bags. 25 cents right now at Dollar General. Next up, we have the Milk-Bone dog treats. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go. And huge shout out and thank you to Miss Linda for sending in these awesome pictures with the UPC code. Now, you all got crazy with this 25-cent sale, let me tell you. Take a look at some of these haul pictures. I've been absolutely loving seeing that so many people scored big this week. Got a lot of items for super, super cheap. Absolutely amazing hearing y'all's stories. So I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Becky, Kelsey, Savannah, Michelle, Donna, and Gloria. You guys did fantastic. I'm so, so excited for you. And I love seeing the pictures and hearing the stories. So keep them coming. Let's celebrate together. My email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. Now, I also want to give you guys a quick little update since we're taking a look at all of these air care products. I have put together the full air care list. I have all the pictures and all the UPCs, and now that the 25-cent sale has happened and the big rush happened on Tuesday, now these items are going to be a little bit harder to find. So we're going to need those visuals and UPC codes. That way we can look high, look low, and look everywhere we go. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned for that one. Now let's talk penny items. So the rumor on the streets is that harvest items have now reset back to full price. And while yes, that is partially true, there are probably a lot of items that have reset back to full price. That does not mean that all items have reset back to full price, which is exactly why I do not announce penny resets on my channel, because there are always penny stragglers, and I don't want you guys to come up on a harvest item and not scan it just because I said, hey, those are all full price right now. You don't need to worry about those anymore. Always scan, 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 and double check for yourself, because on Tuesday I found 8 perfect harvest candles and paid 1 penny each. So don't forget about those straggling pennies, and that goes for all of our seasonal categories. Now let's talk surprise pennies, because this word has been thrown all over this week, and I think part of it is that we have a lot more DG shoppers this week. A lot more people are in the store scanning, and some people are finding penny stragglers from last year. So 2022 Christmas items that might still be a penny. I think part of it is that. I also have some candy items that are mysteriously ringing up a penny as well. So your miles may vary. Scan, 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 and double check. But what you want to be on the lookout for are the little M&M minis. They're in the little tubes. You might find them up near the registers. I'm not sure if these are from last year or what, so they may be expired. Just be careful and scan, scan, scan. And then we also have 2 6.8 ounce boxes of the Lindor chocolates. So you want to be on the lookout for the gold packaging and the red packaging. And these are not to be confused with the 5.1 ounce bags that I showed you all earlier in the video. Now, this week I received quite a few emails with questions about Pop Shelf and also information on Pop Shelf. So it has now been confirmed that the Pop Shelf Christmas items are now a penny. And I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Jodian for going into her Pop Shelf this week and check out all of the penny items that she found. Y'all can use your DG app and scan to price check when you're in your Pop Shelf stores. So here are the items that she found. Some of the party spoons, knives, and forks. We also have the giant whoopee cushions. We also have some hairspray, some finishing sprays, and then we have 2 Peppa Pig toys. It looks like a little microphone, and then also a little magnet board. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and scan, 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 y'all. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals coming at y'all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.